Hey, you all. So I got this comment saying that they applied for the Destiny credit card because this was the Destiny video. They applied for the Destiny credit card. They gave them a $300 credit limit with an $85 annual fee. That annual fee is ridiculous, right? It's a horrible, ridiculous annual fee. They do not do any increases ever. I'll be keeping this only for a year, then done. I'll be closing. Indigo did the same, did the exact same, and they're the same company. Run. That is true. That is very true. And when I made the video, I told you all the fees are not good. Oh my gosh, the fees are crazy. And somebody else put, yeah, they did the same thing with the milestone, and somebody also put they did the same thing with the indigo, and their milestone was the same company, and it's the same thing. They said they closed those two. By closing them at the same time, my credit score went down 40 points. It's since going up about 6 months later. So I will wait a while longer and then close it maybe in another 6 months or so. So if you all are applying for credit cards, for one thing, do not get these credit cards that have these high annual fees. So some people may ask me to do a review on a credit card, talk about the credit card, but I always tell you all, do not get a credit card that have high annual fees. If your annual fee is going to be more than about $35 or $39, is pushing it. If it's going to be more than that, like, guarantee you shouldn't even get it. Like, seriously, don't even get it at all. Unless you're in a different bracket. You're getting you a $20,000 credit card and they have a high annual fee, but you're going to get some type of global entry. You're going to get something additional. You know, you got so many benefits for traveling or something like that. If not, don't get them. So let's go over these accounts. So the first account, let's go over this Discover account. So I did a video on this one, so this one is still up. So not the Discover, but the Destiny. So I have the Destiny under bad credit, okay? So let's go ahead and look at that one. And let's look exactly at the fees that they have. So they're saying you're only going to be able to get a $300 limit. They're going to be able to pre-qualify you. So they're going to say yes or no on whether or not they can give you that credit card. And it's not going to affect your credit score. Let me see if I can find anything in terms of their fees. Terms of use. This is the website terms of use. It's not going to help us. Customer service. Frequently asked questions. Let me see if they have something. Because I wonder, is everybody going to get a different fee? That's my thing. Is everybody going to get a different annual fee? So you may have to contact them and ask them that. But when you all pre-qualify for that credit card, I'm guessing that if you were to accept whatever offer they give you, then you'll know exactly how much you all will get in fees. But I believe I pulled it up on the video, but if not, then definitely ask them about their fees. Ask how much the interest rate is, and also how much the annual fee is on this credit card. And if you all are thinking about getting a Destiny credit card, I suggest, especially paying an $85 fee, get the Capital One, get the Navy Federal, get the Discover. Pay and get you a secure credit card. Put that money down. Y'all spend more than that on food. Y'all spend more than that at Starbucks. Pay that $200. Put that deposit down. And when you put that deposit down, you're making an investment into yourself, because in 6 to 8 months, they're going to give you your money back, hopefully, if you've been doing what you need to do, keeping your balance low, paying your bills on time, not having new negative accounts in your credit reports. They're going to give you $200 back, and they're going to increase your limit too. So like Navy Federal, you put $200 down on that Navy Federal account, they're going to increase your limit to $2,000 in 6 months when it graduates. But you have to make sure you don't have new negative accounts on your credit reports. And for that Capital One, they may increase you to $500. You can ask for additional increase to get increased to like $1,000, $1,300. That's what I did before when I had that card. And then also the Discover, they're going to increase you. I just made a video about that. They're going to increase you after 6 billing cycles, which is about I would say about 7 to 8 months. But they're going to increase you and give you your money back. You just got to make sure you're keeping your balance low, paying your bills on time, and you're not going to have to worry about an annual fee with any of these three. So that's good. With their secured credit cards, they don't have an annual fee. So I really like that. So definitely try to get those credit cards. Another one that they said too was the Indigo. So with the Indigo, you guys can pre-qualify for this one. I know they have high annual fees, and I don't want you all to pay those high annual fees. If for some reason you get these credit cards, you better not keep a balance on it. You better pay that bill off every month. You better not even be charging things onto it, especially not no food or gas or nothing like that. Don't charge things like that, because you could pay so much in interest, and you don't want to pay a lot of money in interest. So I wouldn't even charge those different things on like a credit card like this. This is the kind of credit card that's going to report to the credit bureaus, which is what you want. And that's it. Let it do its job. And somebody said they canceled it and a credit score dropped. Do not cancel these credit cards until you have your credit cards that you want to get, right? So say if you were to get like the Indigo credit card, you were to go ahead and get that Destiny credit card and Aspire credit card. I already put warning, high fees. I want to actually add that to Destiny and Indigo too, that they're high fees on those. But say if you were to get these credit cards, I want you to have these credit cards for 6 months. Work on removing the negative accounts from your credit reports. I have a free dispute letter that you all can use. Send that dispute letter in, free dispute letter. Send that dispute letter in and work to get those negative accounts removed from your credit reports. And in 6 months, as your credit score go up, because it should go up, just keep your balance low. Say if you have a $300 limit, you shouldn't be spending more than $15 on that credit card, and your credit score is going to go up so much. It should. Can't guarantee it, but it should. And when your credit score continues to go up in 6 months, I want you to come back. Make sure you have 4 credit cards first. Get your 4 credit cards. Let them grow and boost your credit score. I want you to come back and look, and I don't have it here yet, but I'm going to put it here. I want you to look for credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So if you go all the way down to the bottom under credit accounts, then you will see like Capital One again, Navy Federal again, Discover. You'll see Credit One Bank. You'll see Mission Lane. You'll see things like Wayfair, or Tumo credit card, Apple credit card. You'll see a lot of credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. But now that your credit score is higher, you should be able to get more credit cards. And when you get more credit cards, try to get like 4 to 6 of them this time. That's your aim. You got 4 the first time, you want to get 4 to 6 of them this time. So try the FNBO, the NASA, the Pedal 2, Walgreens, Prosper, Milestone. You already did the well, actually, not the Milestone, the Mission Lane, not Milestone. You already did the Indigo already, most likely. Destiny, you already did that. These are personal loans here. Try to get the Care Credit. Try to pre-qualify for at least 4 to 6 more credit card. That's a Visa or MasterCard, and one that will give you increases. So if you can get one with a bank, that will be even better. Like I told you, the Capital One, the Discover, the Navy Federal. If you can get those kind, that would be perfect for you all too. Let those also grow for about 6 months. As those grow for about 6 months, your credit score should continue to go up. Do not spend a lot of money on those credit cards. Do not spend more than 5%, and you're going to see your credit score go up, most likely. I can't guarantee it, but you'll most likely see that your credit score will go up. And as your credit score goes up, if you want to apply for a house, apply for it right then and there. If you want a car, apply for it then. If you want to get a personal loan, apply for it then. If you want a business loans, apply for it then. Because what you're going to do after that 6 months is you're going to go back and cancel your first accounts that are horrible annual fees. If you got like the Capital One, the Navy Federal, Discovery, you started with those, You don't have to worry about canceling those. You keep those. But if you got those accounts like the Destiny that have a high annual fee, then you want to cancel that. If you got the account like the Indigo with a high annual fee, you want to cancel that. So you want to cancel those ones that's not going to give you an increase. That's like the beginner credit cards. You want to cancel those after the 6 months that you had those new accounts. So it's basically a year after you get them. Let them report. Make sure that they have at least a year of history. You can look on Credit Karma to see that. Make sure you have at least 10 check marks over throughout the months. You have not 10, 12. Make sure you have at least 12 check marks, and then you can cancel that credit card. But if you're applying for anything, you see that credit score, the comment was that their credit score dropped 40 points. Your credit is going to drop when you cancel these accounts. It's sad to say that, but apply for everything you want, and after you're done doing that, then you can cancel these. Just make sure you're not looking to get credit in 6 months. That's the thing. Just don't look to get credit in 6 months, and make sure you have those new accounts. I don't care if you don't have those new accounts and you like, it's 12 months now, Rakita, I got 12 check marks. You better not cancel those accounts, because if you cancel, well, it's up to you if you want to cancel it. But if you cancel it, most likely your credit score is going to go down, and then you're going to be at the place where you have to get new credit cards, and it's going to be harder to get new credit cards. So keep them accounts open until you get those new credit cards, and make sure you have at least 12 months of history reporting. So hopefully this video helped you all. If you all have any questions, definitely let me know. I got this question in my comments. I only answer questions from people that's publicly subscribed to me. Y'all can see I got this check mark. Public subscribers only. I'm only going to answer for people that's publicly subscribed to me. And make sure you subscribe. Ask your question in the comments, and I'll make sure I answer it to you. So I'll talk to you all later on, and I'll see you guys in the next video.